Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how we can improve this Cypher program coding text using ASCII method. I made a previous video which was quite lengthy. I will try to be more succinct and concise in this one. So the first change I want to do, I want to enable coding capital letters too, because in here we include only lowercase letter. So instead of 97, let's create ASCII constant. And ASCII constant equals 65 if letter is uppercase. Else ASCII equals 97. So see, here we use 97 because we only include lower. That's why we change everything to lower. But I think it's not the best method, as we can include also coding creating cipher for capital letters to have full functionality. So that's why we're creating ASCII constant, and changed position can be, instead of minus 97, we'll type minus ASCII constant, and here at the end also plus ASCII constant. So this way it works for both lowercase and uppercase letter. It will code both of them. And to make sure it works, let's check it out in the console. What is your message? Okay, let's type letter A. What is your shift number 2? It becomes small c because we still have this lower, so we need to remove this. Okay, we remove this one more time. What is your message? C. What is your shift number 2? And we have capital E. Okay, it works for both. One more time for small. What is your message? A, B, C. What's your shift number 1? Now all the letters are small. Okay, so with this little amendment, you can see here, we removed this constant number, which was here. We have a variable here. Second thing I want to do is put everything in a function. So it will work as a function, and the function should take 3 parameters first. Maybe your message, I will change this to text. Okay, so let's put everything in the function. So function in Python is not function, but it's called def. Def will be called Cypher, and it takes 3 arguments, which are text, shift, and encode, decode, because we can encode this Caesar cipher when we move forward, and we can decode it when we move backward. So we have 3 arguments here: text, shift. Okay, and when we start function, of course there is colon, and this everything which is here inside the function needs to have one indentation, so we press tab to move forward. We didn't declare variable encode decode, so I'm just going to quickly copy it to save our time. This is encode decode. You can put it in the loop, but I don't think it's necessary at the moment. Okay, so these 3 are global, they are on top, so it's correct. So you know what will be the fix is that when we type E, it works as encode. When we type D, it works as decode. So how to do it concisely without writing too much code? You could write something like if decoded encode equals D, then U minus here, but we don't want to make it so lengthy. We can just change the shift. So we can just write it like this: if encode decode equals D, then shift equals shift times -1. Okay, that should change everything. because here we plus shift. So if you press plus 3, but what is, from math, if you take 3 times minus 1, 3 becomes minus 3. So therefore plus will become minus with this simple trick. Okay, let's check it out if it works. No, we will not check it out here because it's inside the function, so we cannot print it. So another thing is that we will return the value. So in here, let's, instead of print, we type return a secret message. Okay, so now after this we can print the function print cipher. That's the name of this function, and in here we need to repeat this 3 arguments: text, shift, and encode, decode. Okay, and now should work. Okay, let's start it in the console. What is your message? I will type A, B, C, and I will type shift number 1. First we will encode it. So I'm going to type E, and we get, yes, we get BCD instead of ABC. So remember, BCD. Now we're trying again if decoding will work. What is your message? We type BCD, shift number 1, and now I want to decode, and I get ABC. Okay, so that's the code you need to have full functionality of Cezar Cipher, both encoding, decoding, and including capital and lowercase letters. So that's it. I hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching.